In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets with automated two-way sync 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have Monday.com talking to Google Sheets through Unito, so updates flow both ways automatically. Before we begin, make sure you can log into Monday.com with permission to install apps and have a Google Sheet ready with clear column headers in the first row. Start by signing into your Monday.com account. From your workspace, open the Monday Marketplace. This is where you'll find integrations and add-ons that expand what your boards can do. In the search bar, type Unito. You're looking for the listing called Two-Way Syncing with Unito. Open that listing to see the overview and what permissions it needs. Click Install App. You may be prompted to confirm the installation, so click Install again to proceed. Next, choose the workspace where you want Unito to be available. If your account has multiple workspaces, pick the one that holds the board you plan to sync with Google Sheets. Then select the board you want to connect. Choosing the right board now helps you get to set up faster later. When you're ready, click Add App to finish attaching Unito to that board. Unito will ask to authorize Monday.com. This permission allows Unito to read and write on your board, which is essential for a true two-way sync. Click Authorize when prompted and approve any pop-up confirmation to finalize the connection. If your browser blocks pop-ups, enable them temporarily so the authorization window can appear. Once connected, you can link Monday.com to Google Sheets directly in Unito. Inside the Unito setup, choose Google Sheets as your second tool, pick the spreadsheet in the tab you want, and confirm access to your Google account. Unito will guide you through creating a flow, defining which items to sync, and mapping fields so columns in your sheet align with columns on your board. Aim to match names and data types, dates to dates, people to owners, numbers to numbers, for clean updates both ways. A few tips before you turn it on. Keep the first row of your sheet reserved for headers, avoid merged cells, and consider adding a unique key column so Unito can track records reliably. Start with a small test. Create one item on the board and one row in the sheet to confirm the sync behaves as expected. If something doesn't look right, adjust your mappings and rules, then enable the flow again. That's it. You've installed Unito, authorized Monday.com, and you're ready to connect your board to Google Sheets for a seamless two-way sync.